Hello students, this is Poonam here, your SSC teacher from Vishesh Public School. Today we will start chapter 5, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife of Geography. So before starting this chapter, you have to know that what is natural vegetation. It means it refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human help and has been left undisturbed by human for a long time. So without human help जो भी कम्युनिटी प्लांट कम्युनिटी ग्रो करती है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड नेचुरल वेजिटेशन एंड दैट इज़ लेफ्ट अनडिस्टर्ब्ड बाय ह्यूमन फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. So have you observed the types of trees, bushes, grasses and birds in the fields and parks in and around your school? Are they similar or there are variations? So students, you have seen so many things around your school, around your house like grasses, bushes, trees. So what do you think? They all are similar or they have some variations? Obviously variations are there, they are not similar. So India being a vast country, you can imagine the types of bioforms available throughout the country. So if we see variations in such small areas, so what do you think about India? Obviously variations will be there. Our country India is one of the 12 mega biodiversity countries of the world with about 47,000 plant species. India occupies 10th place in the world and 4th in Asia in plant diversity. So our country India, that is one of the 12 mega biodiversity countries of the world. And how many plant species are here? 47,000. And it occupies 10th place in Asia and 10th place in world and 4th place in Asia in plant diversity. So there are about 15,000 flowering plants in India, which account for 6% of the world's total number of flowering plants. So it means कि 15,000 जो है plants that are with flowers, and the country has many non-flowering plants also, such as ferns, algae and fungi. So India has approximately 90,000 species of animals. So big species you can see here, as well as a rich variety of fish in its fresh and marine waters. So 90,000 species of animals are here. Okay. So here definition of natural vegetation is given. Natural vegetation refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by humans for a long time. This is termed as a virgin vegetation also. तो ऐसी vegetation जो बिना किसी human help के grow होती है और बहुत time तक undisturbed रहती है, nobody goes there, that is called virgin vegetation. Thus, cultivated crops and fruits orchards form parts of vegetation, but not natural vegetation. What does it mean? कि जो cultivated crops हैं, fruits हैं, orchards हैं, obviously ये सारी चीज़ें these all are the parts of vegetation, but these are not the part of natural vegetation, क्योंकि natural vegetation में these things grows naturally, और these all vegetations जो crops हैं, fruits हैं, these are grown by human being. Okay. So do you know the virgin vegetation which are purely Indian are known as endemic or indigenous species, but those which have come from outside India are termed as exotic plants. So here we are going to discuss very important topic, that is flora and fauna. The term flora is used to denote plants of a particular region or period. So flora जो है that denote plants. Okay. Similarly, the species of animals are referred to as fauna. तो जो fauna है that refers to the species of animals. This huge diversity in flora and fauna kingdom is due to the following factors. So कुछ factors हम लोग discuss करेंगे जिसके ऊपर ये flora और fauna depend करती है. Here one easy method is given. Some students get confused कि what is the difference of flora and fauna. तो here you can see FLORAFAUNA. तो flora means flowers or plants and fauna means animals. So you can learn it easily. Okay. So now we will study the features that affect these all flora and fauna. तो देखिए फर्स्ट फीचर वी विल डिस्कस दैट इज लैंड. तो लैंड अफेक्ट्स द नेचुरल वेजिटेशन डायरेक्टली एंड इनडायरेक्टली. ऑब्वियसली लैंड इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर, तो इट इफेक्ट्स द नेचुरल वेजिटेशन एज इट इज़ डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली, किसी भी टाइप से. डू यू एक्सपेक्ट द सेम टाइप ऑफ वेजिटेशन इन माउंटेनियस, प्लेट्यू एंड प्लेन एरियाज और इन ड्राई एंड वेट रीजन्स? क्या लगता है आपको सेम वेजिटेशन होगी, चाहे वो माउंटेन एरिया है या फिर प्लेट्यूज है या प्लेन एरिया है, ड्राई है, वेट है, वेजिटेशन विल बी सेम और नॉट? नो, vegetation will not be same. The nature of land influences the type of vegetation. तो जैसी लैंड की नेचर होगी, जिस टाइप की लैंड होगी, वेजिटेशन विल ऑल्सो बी ऑफ द सेम टाइप. द फर्टाइल लेवल इज जनरली डिवोटेड टू एग्रीकल्चर. और जो फर्टाइल लैंड होगी देयर वी विल डू कल्टिवेशन और एग्रीकल्चर. एंड द अनड्यूलेटिंग एंड रफ टेरेन्स आर एरियाज where grassland and woodlands develop and give shelter to a variety of wildlife. तो fertile land तो we will use as agriculture activities, and undulating जो weaving है, जो rough land है, terrains है, that are used for grassland, woodland, and that will give shelter to the wildlife. So land जो है that affects the natural vegetation. And second is soil. The soils also vary over space. तो डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पे सॉइल है, दैट इज ऑल्सो डिफरेंट, दैट्स वी हैव डिस्कस इन चैप्टर एग्रीकल्चर ऑल्सो. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल्स प्रोवाइड बेसिस फॉर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वेजिटेशन. जिस टाइप की सॉइल होगी वहाँ पे वेजिटेशन विल ऑल्सो बी ऑफ दैट टाइप. द सैंडी सॉइल्स ऑफ द डेजर्ट सपोर्ट कैक्टस एंड थॉर्नी बुशेस, while wet marshy deltaic soils support mangroves and deltaic vegetation. The hill slopes with some depth of soil have conical trees. तो ऑब्वियसली जहाँ पे सैंडी सॉयल है वहाँ पे कैक्टस और थॉर्नी बुशेस ज़्यादा होंगे, और वेयर वेट लैंड इज़ देयर वहाँ पे क्या होगा, वहाँ पे मैंग्रोव्स, ओके, मैंग्रोव्स होंगे और डेल्टाइक वेजिटेशन होगी. हिली स्लोप्स पे वी विल सी द कॉनिकल ट्रीज. और सेकेंड फैक्टर दैट अफेक्ट्स द नेचुरल वेजिटेशन इज क्लाइमेट. क्लाइमेट में फर्स्ट वी विल स्टडी अबाउट टेम्परेचर. Climate, first is temperature. The character and extent of vegetation are mainly determined by temperature along with humidity in the air, precipitation and soil. तो vegetation की type पे जो temperature है that will also affect. On the slopes of the Himalayas and the hills of the peninsula above the height of 915 meters, the fall in the temperature affects the type of vegetation and its growth and changes it from tropical to subtropical, temperate and alpine vegetation. तो ऑब्वियसली हम लोग देखते हैं कि जो हिमालयन की स्लोप्स हैं, हिल्स ऑफ द पेनिनसुलर जो 1915 मीटर से अबव हैं, तो वहाँ पे टेम्परेचर क्या होता है, उसका फॉल होता है, एंड दैट ऑल्सो इफेक्ट्स द ग्रोथ ऑफ वेजिटेशन. और ट्रॉपिकल टू सब ट्रॉपिकल टेम्परेट में एंड अल्पाइन वेजिटेशन में इट विल चेंज. And the next one is photo period, that is called sunlight. So you can see कि जो sunlight है that also affect natural vegetation. The variation in duration of sunlight at different places is due to differences in latitude, altitude, season and duration of the day. तो जो वेरिएशन है सनलाइट की ड्यूरेशन है अलग अलग प्लेसेस पे डिफरेंस, जैसे कि लैटिट्यूड पे, एल्टीट्यूड पे, सीजन में, ड्यूरेशन